Hello. Once again, I am CJ Lansesi. Now, since you are here, I am expecting that you are already watched the first reflection, which entitled of the ICT policies and the safety issue for teaching learning. So now you are here in the second reflection of my e-portfolio. Now, this topic right here is very amazing as well as intriguing because it teach me a lot as well as I learned a lot from it. So the topic is entitled of digital and non-digital and skills in delivering technology assisted instruction. Uh, this topic actually or common no actually explore the variety of competencies for us future educators must attain or must use technology in our teaching strategies in our teaching style. Now, okay, what I learned from this topic is that we have key factors. We have the digital tools, we have the non-digital tools, and the skills on how we manage the both tools. Okay, let's talk about the first one, the digital tools. Digital tools is used by us future educators to engage our students actively as well having fun and engaging because one of my goal is to engage uh, my students active learning just like that because we have the technology and mostly our students are technology centered. They can find engagement as well as active learning when dealing with technology related in education, and that's why we have platforms, education platforms, just like the Google Classroom, many other sites that have class in it because Google Classroom is one of the digital tools that teachers engage to students because this is an online video platform that is somewhat classroom. Uh, Even though they can meet face to face, they can still have class due to this platform right here because the teacher can send a file and the student can access it and read it as well. If their answer sheet, they can pass their answers in the Google Classroom as well. And it is very uh, engaged platform, digital tool to use. And we also have digital tools. We also have videos. We can post educating videos on YouTube's, TikToks, as well as many other video platforms, blogs. Not only that, but we can also use digital tools in our lesson plan as well. We can use we can use sites as mini games in our motivational as well as many other things. And let's move on to the other key factors, and that is the non-digital tools. Non-digital tools is a tool that guides our learners to engage as well as to learn from it without the use of digital tools. In the word non-digital tools, it commonly bring back the term of traditional teaching or the traditional way of teaching back then. This involves the visual aids, just like the Manila papers, as well as the engagement activities like flashcards, as well as many other things. The making making cabbage out of papers as well that and mostly non-digital skills is non-digital tools is the teacher itself because the teacher is a tool as the teacher is a tool itself when it comes to teaching because you the teacher is a tool to teach your students as well. As me future educator, I am a tool to teach my class as well. And and mostly a non-digital tool, the very best part that really like in non-digital tool because A real object is one of the best or one of the best example that I can bring when I am that when I'm performing demo, because I can, for an example, I can have an apple right here, and I can said, if I throw this apple right here, it bounces and it returns into my hand, and then I can explain that using that kind of technique. That's why, and that apple right there can be determined as an non-digital tool as well, and it is under the real tool. Okay, so the third key factor is what we call the skills. The skills to how to balance the digital tools as well as the non-digital tools in our teaching profession in education. So we must have adaptability, of course, to be adapt in both ways, the traditional and the technological generation. We must mix that both to uh, to perform more engagement and actively learning in our students. And mostly, not only that, but let us be let us be aware in what we are going to do with digital tools as well as non-digital tools, because there should be equal in both, and in making lesson plans, because in the goal in innovation, we use digital tools right now to engage more active learning to our children, because the rapid growth of technology right now, and that is one of the skills should we have. And a very, very, very important part skill that we future educators must have is the strategical skills. And in what we call in education, it is called the pedagogical skills, in how we perform the digital tools as well as the non-digital tools equally, in demonstrating in our lesson, in our class, to engage the students actively. To sum it all up, um, these three aspects balance all together to perform, or to not only to help the teacher but also integrate technology in our generation today in education as well. And that is all for my reflection about the digital and non-digital skills in delivering technology assisted instruction. And that's all. Thank you.